Are you thinking about selling or refinancing your home? Well, before you do that, listen to these tips so that you can end up with a higher home appraisal report. Number one, make those small repairs you've been postponing. Yes, you have to take care of those items because that's what's going to make the appraiser feel really good about giving your property a good value. Number two, enhance your home's curb appeal. You want to make sure that the appraiser sees your home as one of the most beautiful and most kept up homes in the area so that you can end up with the highest value in your neighborhood. And number three, make sure that you create a file of all the recent documents that illustrates the improvements and the upgrades that you've done to your home. Make sure that you also include the cost because all those items can eventually increase the value of your home. This is Noe Cruz with Allstate Homes. If you're thinking about selling, give me a call. Hope to hear from you soon. Have a great day.